I'm Chris, also known as Crankie Pants, and I have a TikTok and a YouTube channel where I build and renovate various things around my house. My first time building a shed, and it was way smoother than I was expecting it to be. Every piece of timber was cut perfectly, and it was basically like a grown-up's Lego. And I was really surprised how good the instructions were. Very few elements were more difficult than what I could cope with, and anything that I was able to easily ask the team, and they provided me with guidance. So there was one main issue that I had, and that was a piece of iron just up here. The issue came about because I had changed my door profile from a roller door to a sliding door. And so when the piece was shipped, it was cut for a roller door instead of a slider door. And I ended up getting in touch with the team at Duratuf, and they were very easily able to discern, okay, it's the wrong piece. And within about 3 days, they'd shipped me up a new one, and I was back on my feet ready to go again. So I ended up going with the Lifestyle because of the ability to line the inside and also apply the power. And it's going to be for my workshop. I'm going to be putting in power into the internal lining, so I'm going to be putting in sockets, as well as a whole lot of storage. I'm going to put the kids' bikes in there. And the main reason I got it is because there is no garage on the property. All I've got is a carport, and I'm thrilled to have an actual space to be able to store all my things.